Mom, when will we arrive? I am very bored.
We will arrive in Central Station in no time.
Are you sure?
Yes, in a few minutes. We are very close.
Hello everyone, how are you today? This is your new teacher Zara from Listen, Speak Academy. Welcome to the new Bobblehead series. Here, we aim for you to learn a new phrase or new word in 2 minutes, including speaking practice. When someone says that we will arrive in no time, that is a figure of speech. It actually means we will arrive very soon. It definitely does not mean that we will arrive in 0 seconds. For example, you could say, "We will arrive in no time," or "We will arrive very, very soon," or "We will arrive shortly," or "We will arrive in 1 moment." Now it is your turn to try. We will arrive in Central Station in no time. Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
Mom, when will we arrive? I am very bored. Mom, when will we arrive? I am very bored.
We will arrive in Central Station in no time. We will arrive in Central Station in no time.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, in a few minutes. We are very close. Yes, in a few minutes. We are very close.
Thank you for liking Listen Speak Academy. We will continue to have our weekly 30-minute lessons very soon. For now, we will concentrate on introducing several more daily Bobblehead English short videos to you. Our mission is not to just make some cartoon videos for you to watch as entertainment TV. We concentrate on the shadowing and repeating exercises. Thank you for your support. Take care and see you soon!